Hello, friends. In this session, I'm going to discuss a very important challenge. It's overcoming the skill shortages in digital transformation in pharma industry. As we know, new emerging technologies are coming up. Each technology has got a lot of benefits. Digital transformation is going to give many more benefits, quantifiable and uh, things. But transformation is big challenge and skills are not available. So how to overcome this challenge? And this is what is the thought process which I have in this particular video. So I'm going to discuss about the introduction, challenges in digital transformation, action plan for skills development, assess the current capabilities and skill gaps, develop a comprehensive digital transformation strategy, budget allocation, investment in training and upskilling programs, strategic budget allocation for overcoming the skill shortages, and finally the conclusion. So let's look at it into the introduction. What are the challenges? There are significant delays due to skill shortage actually. Now the entire project, as we know, is a long-term project. Even if you start with the phases, no, there are many more phases, there are many more processes. But on a long term, we are looking at it for a seamless data exchange throughout all those digital supply chain. And so each scale you need a different skill. So if there is a skills, how we can overcome them. No? So we have to draw a plan, we have to draw a strategy. So we have to identify the what are those key skill gaps. No? When I say key skills is basically you need a strategic team to decide, you need a domain team to identify those problem areas, challenges and all. You need a technology team, you need a team who will do the designing, who will need a testing, you need a transformation from old systems to the new system, the data transmissions and all that. And then finally taking over the data for a decision making and also there are various skills which are really required. And then at each thing you have to allocate and dedicate the budgets and all, and you have to target the various training programs for that. This needs typically a training budget, that is so you have to allocate those sufficient funds to do that and then monitor, what are the budgets are allocated and how they have been taken into consideration. So what are those challenges now again? There's a lack of specific skills and I think insufficient training programs for the emerging technologies. As I say, emerging technologies are like cloud, artificial intelligence, IoT, blockchain, robotic, chatbot, a number of things are there. And there are rapid technological advantages are happening it. So traditional training programs are not really going to suit. You have to design. Our objective of designing this smart manufacturing in pharma learning platform is mainly with that actually, so that you can reach to the larger audience, larger teams, because the pharma industry is a huge industry, and then across the industry there are various departments and processes and all they have to really go on upgrading their technologies and skills and all that. So this is what is the platform which we have created it. And then competition is there, which is really coming up, and there is a high demand for from the other industries also. So some of the people skills shifting to other industries or maybe into the same domain also. So we have to. It is very difficult to attract and retain those digital talent because it's a very competitive job market, and integration of this new technologies with the legacy system is more challenging. You need skills in those areas also who will have that compatibility and implementation expertise. And then finally, and most important, which I already kept it in the red, is there's a resistance to change. among the existing employees. They are habituated with a particular style of working for last many years, so they want to really continue with those style. They don't want to really learn a new thing and adopt to learn things. So these are the challenges. So some of those challenges are been listed over here. So what should be our action plan? So some of the good points which I thought I will list it over here. You have to assess the current capabilities and the skills gap. No, analyze what type of digital skills are available with the employees. No, some of them may be familiar with adopting the computer system, the softwares, and all that, and some of them needs skills to do the data analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and IoT, of connecting the sensors or see how the sensors are working. Are there any data leakages, or is that IoT data going is giving you that analysis which is helping you? So these are the different skills which we have to go on building up with the present skills, and then develop a comprehensive digital transformation strategy, align those digital initiative with a business objective. See, business objectives are different, technology objectives are different. Business objectives could be, improving the plant capacity, reducing the uh, errors onto the quality side, or reducing the downtimes. So then there will be a different business objective. How that technology is going to support to that. No? So you have to prioritize those projects, see the impact and feasibility, then implement those training programs. There could be a training programs related to quality, related to IoT installation, IoT implementation, and something like that. So upscaling to such programs you have to develop. You design those customized training modules for the different management levels. Management levels could be again different at a general manager level, uh, shop floor operation levels. So all those have to be listed out. Establish the partnership with educational institutes who may be offering some similar courses, and then see how those courses can be implemented into your factories and all. Implement the talent acquisition and retention strategies also. No? Do maybe partnerships with education institutes and all that. Yeah, draw a plan to retain those skills who have been trained onto a longer time period. Foster a cultural innovation and continuous learning process, and invest into a change management strategy. So access the again briefing like conduct thorough analysis of the current digital skills into the organization. You may have a 10 employees or a 10 people into a particular department. So identify who is doing what and what are his interests, what is his present level of those skills and all that, and then identify those skills into that particular department or areas and train them up. They will develop a digital strategic plan. No, is align the those digital initiative with the overall business objectives. Actually, as I mentioned in my earlier slide, also you may have a strategies is to improve the plant capacity, improve the machine utilization, reduce the rejections or something like that. So prioritize those projects, and based on to this impact and feasibility will be discussed it out, and then implement the targeted training and upskilling plans, design a customized training modules into that particular department or particular plant, and then select those different employees or the skills or operators from that particular department, and give them offer a mix in-house as well as some external training program. No? Some courses can be in-house, and some courses could get external training courses, so like what we are offering it to this particular course is available to those employees to get familiar as and when they find a time, and then establish partnership with the education institute, collaborate with the university to develop a industry specific curriculum, like what we are talking about the pharma industry. Even in pharma also you may have a API manufacturing separate, or pharma can get extended to food, chemicals, cosmetics, and all. So various industry specific things you develop it and retain them and all that. Right? So strategy for attention, for acquisition and retention is also very important, which should lead to innovation and continuous learning also, and change management and all. Then you have to allocate the budget. If you go to that down level and identify all those skills and training course, and then the time period, and then who is going to do the training, and the cost of that particular training, and then the various such modules or activities in a particular department, in a particular month, in a particular time zone or something like that. You can go on adding all those to this thing, and then work out the budgets and all, and allocate also necessary infrastructure for doing all that. You may have to have training facilities, the rules, the maybe software or hardware for getting familiar into that, and then that will help to build a confidence with the skills also, and then they will learn and all that. And if there are any other software tools are available which you can use it, then something like that. This particular course which we have designed it and all that, which can be adopted, which can also help you to motivate those skills to that, and then finally allocate the budgets accordingly. And then investment into training and upskilling program. So once you have done something, investment, it is also crucial to address those skills shortage, and then do that monitoring also. No? So which also have to see that that it is going to get supported to the digital transformation efforts which you are really looking at it. So there were many more activities in there, but this particular training is a most important thing. So it's a people-driven system, so which have to be really thought about it. So and then that will enhance the quality of the digital transformations and all. And then if there are supporting tools which are available, you can make use of them also. Strategic budget allocation can really help in overcoming these things. So you have to, I already mentioned the various subjects and topics over there. So allocation of the budget, and that will accelerate the digital transformation process and all that. And not only accelerate, but it will have a better results because your team and the skills are really understood the importance of this particular training and how that can help in the better decisions making. So conclusion is that implementing this action plan and strategic budget allocation along with that digital transformation process can help you in operational efficiency and operational excellence is what really is our objective. So I hope I just wanted to give you a quick overview about the necessity and the need of this training into those your present skills onto new emerging technologies and all that. In case if you need any help or you need any discussions, feel free to contact us. Our team will definitely help you to uh, do that migration and do those implementation and upgrade your skills and all that actually. Uh, we also have a YouTube channel where you will definitely find many more other relevant topics and which you will get a better idea about this training part of it also. Do share with your network and all that. If you need any feedback, please write to us. We are there to help you. Thank you. Bye.